Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 CFMoto Z-Force 800EX. This sport side-by-side just arrived with only 160 miles on it. Four-wheel drive, electronic power steering, electric start, automatic transmission. It's got a tilt steering, comes standard with the roof, and tri safety belts, four-wheel independent suspension. This thing is in beautiful condition. It's got a nice open area in the bed. You can put your cooler in there or something. Trailer hitch, and it has a front winch. Come on by and make your sport side-by-side dreams come true with this awesome Z-Force for only $59.99. You're kidding me. This thing is not going to be here long. Originally $11,000 plus freight and setup, so you're getting it for about less than half price. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.